At Lucid Motors, we are building a better future for the planet. We're using our hearts and minds to create a more sustainable future. And to ensure success, we form integrated, collaborative teams comprising the best engineers and designers in the world.
We're building the most incredible car on the planet.
And there's so much going on here.
I've never worked around such passionate people.
I can create things that in other companies it would take us years to create.
I look forward to coming into work. I genuinely wake up, I'm like, what problems can I solve today, or what do I get to try out today?
There's not a one single day that is dull.
It's pretty exciting every single day here.
Every day is different. Being able to work on these cars on the cutting edge technology is unlike any other company I've ever worked for.
You can walk right down and see cars being built. Over in the battery lab, you see batteries being built, and it's all the parts that you've been designing.
Seeing this work come together that we all worked on as a team, that's a very good feeling.
Walking by the car and its various stages of production and all of the pieces and parts and people is one of my favorite parts about being here.
I've been in this business for over 30 years. I've probably learned more in the last 2 years here than a lot of my career.
People are very open to hearing what you have to say.
My word does count.
Everybody's voice is heard and everybody's idea is heard.
And they will listen as well and take the advice.
I absolutely feel like I fit in here. I feel heard.
Everyone has respect for each other, and you're always given the opportunity to try something different.
Everybody has input into how we design the plant, how the vehicle is designed, how the equipment is designed.
It's an environment to have fun, to challenge yourself, to challenge others.
It's a great deal of comfort when I come in here and I feel like I can perform my best.
At Lucid, we bring in all kinds of different people.
There are people from all over the world here.
Diversity brings different strengths.
I like to work with different people.
A lot of people from a lot of different backgrounds here.
People bring different skills.
People from different cultures have different ways of thought, which all kind of contributes to having different ideas and coming up with better solutions.
And having diversity helps us to create more global product.
It makes a product that appeals to more types of people.
Everyone realizes the importance of what this brings to the company and how important it is for our success.
Lucid isn't just a story of California and Arizona. We are a global company, and as such, we seek ambitious innovators who believe as we do that there is no limit to what we can do together.
I'm from
San Francisco Bay Area,
Hayward,
Livermore, Los Angeles, California,
San Diego, California,
Omaha, Nebraska,
Chicago,
Houston, Texas,
New Orleans, Louisiana,
Pensacola, Florida,
Venice, Florida,
Boston,
Mexico,
Annecy, France,
Brighton, England.
Berlin, Germany,
Madrid, España,
Agila, Libya,
Lagos, Nigeria,
Faridabad,
India,
South Korea.
Beijing.
We're dedicated to building the best car in the world, and we can only do that with the best people in the world.
Come join us at Lucid.
Come join us at Lucid.
आओ हम सब मिलकर काम करेंगे.
Come join us at Lucid.
Kom hit, jobba med oss på Lucid.
Why join wa?
Lucid de 하타카리に来てください.
Venid a trabajar en Lucid.
루시드에 오셔서 저희와 함께 새로운 미래를 만들어가요.
Come hang out in the shop at Lucid.
Halika, samahan mo kami sa Lucid.
You'll have the best time of your
the
life.
best work of your life.
You can go very far with this.
Venez nous rejoindre chez Lucid.
Come join us.
تعال اشتغلوا معنا في لوسيد لأنها شركة.
Ich würde mich freuen, wenn ihr Teil von Lucid werdet.
Come join us at Lucid.